If you're dealing with old windows that aren't serving your house properly anymore, it's time to switch them out. New windows will make a noticeable difference on your home's comfort and your electric bill. There are a lot of options for your new windows, but a good starting point on your journey is to decide the material that your windows will be made of. So let's compare the most common materials used: wood and vinyl. Vinyl windows have become increasingly popular for their modern advantages, and wood windows remain a classic choice for homeowners who value their timeless beauty and a premium feel. To properly compare the two, I'm going to look at wood and vinyl in terms of window maintenance, affordability, customization options, and window efficiency. By looking at these different criteria, you should start to see a more clear picture of which window is best for your home. So let's talk about window maintenance. Wood windows offer an unmatched beauty. Their natural grain and texture create a high-end, luxurious look that some homeowners feel is irreplaceable. However, with wood windows, you do have to worry about the upkeep of painting and sealing them, which can be a bit of work. Vinyl windows are often seen as the modern alternative to wood and have become the go-to choice for a durable and low-maintenance solution. Unlike wood, vinyl windows never need to be painted or stained. They resist rotting, warping, and fading, meaning they'll look great for years to come without much effort. Affordability. Wood windows are often considered a premium option due to their innate and timeless appeal, and they do come with higher upfront costs compared to materials like vinyl or aluminum. In most cases, wood windows do add significant value to homes, especially in historic or high-end markets. Vinyl windows are generally more budget-friendly than wood. They provide excellent performance at a lower price point, making them accessible for homeowners looking to upgrade without overspending. This means you can upgrade your window features, getting more options while remaining budget-friendly. Customization. Wood windows offer endless customization options, which make them perfect for historic or custom-built homes. Wood windows can be tailored to fit any architectural style, from traditional to contemporary, with a wide array of shapes, sizes, and finishes. Additionally, wood windows can be painted or stained in virtually any color, allowing for endless design options. Gone are the days of standard white vinyl windows. Today, you have a whole spectrum of colors to choose from. It's fairly common to get vinyl windows which appear to be wood grain without the maintenance of wood. You can also get them in various grid patterns, custom shapes, or types of specialty windows. While there might not be as many customization options, you are far from limited if you select vinyl windows. Window frame efficiency. Even the best glass can't fully protect your home from drafts, temperature fluctuations, or high energy bills without the right frames. Wood windows are naturally energy efficient because wood is a natural insulator. The cellular structure of wood slows heat transfer, which can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. However, they will need maintenance to prevent rotting or warping, which would significantly affect the frame efficiency. One big benefit of vinyl versus any other material is that it's not a good temperature conductor. This means you will not have to worry about the outside temperature leaking into your home through the window frame. They also have empty channels inside of the frame, which can be filled with foam to further keep the outside temperature from creeping in. Vinyl windows can generally take a great deal of beating before their condition starts to wear, and you can count on them to last longer with less maintenance. Investing in windows can be a difficult decision because you have so many options. The best choice depends on your priorities. If you love the classic beauty of wood and are willing to invest the time and money into maintenance, wood windows may be the perfect fit. If you want a durable, low-maintenance option that provides great performance at a lower cost, vinyl windows are an excellent choice. If this has been helpful, and for more content like this, like and subscribe. If you would like further information or to book a free in-home consultation for your windows, click the link below.